video, I'm going to talk to you about shutters. We have many different options available. We have a couple different color choices. We have a bright Arctic white, we have a cotton warm white, and a vanilla to choose from. We also have different louver sizes. I'll first show you our 2.5-inch shutters. This is with a clear view mechanism, which is a very sleek bar that's tucked off to the side. We also have 3.5-inch louvers available. The most popular with a tilt bar that can be on the back and off to the side. You can simply put your hand on the louvers for opening and closing. Alternatively, you can put this tilt bar on the front and on the side, or on the front and in the middle. 4.5-inch louvers are also available to maximize visibility. And this shutter panel here illustrates a gears mechanism, which means that the clear view mechanism or the tilt bar is built into the shutter shim and you don't see it at all on the shutters. Shutters can be framed or frameless. We have many different framing options to choose from to accommodate having shutters on all types of window, outside mount, inside mount, windows with no depth, and windows with a lot of depth to work with. Behind me here, I have a 3-panel shutter. The first panel opens to the left, the right panel opens to the right, and the middle panel you can have designed to open to the right or to the left. When windows are over 60 inches in height, you do require a divider bar, which adds strength and stability to your shutter panel. It also gives you the flexibility of having the bottom closed and the top open, or vice versa. If your window's not over 60 inches in height, you can add a tilt split option, which then gives you the flexibility of having the bottom closed and the top opened with no solid horizontal piece. Shutters can be kept closed with a panel lock system or magnets. If you have questions about any of our shutter collections, please feel free to contact us today. We look forward to hearing from you.